Question number 111. Fungi differ from bacteria in having. Before answering this question, we should know that fungi is a eukaryote and bacteria is a prokaryote. Let's see the options. First, 70S ribosome. 70S ribosome is seen in the cytoplasm of the bacteria. However, it is seen in the mitochondria of the fungi. Second, chitinous cell wall. Chitinous cell wall is a peculiar feature of the fungi. In case of the bacteria, the cell wall is composed of polysaccharide and amino acids. Third, plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is seen in both fungi and bacteria. Fourth, asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is also seen in both the organisms. So, the correct answer of this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 112. Mark the correct statement. First, halophiles help in biogas formation. This statement is incorrect because methanogens are responsible for biogas formation. Second, bacterial structure is very complex, but they are simple in behavior. This is also incorrect because structure is very simple and behavior is very complex. Third, cyanobacteria form blooms in running water. This statement is also incorrect because they often form blooms in stagnant water. Fourth, chrysophytes float passively in water current. Absolutely correct. And here we should know that chrysophytes include diatoms and desmids. So, the correct answer of this question is option number 4. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 113. Euglena does not. First, have chlorophyll A. They do have chlorophyll A and it is the major photosynthetic pigment. Second, reproduce asexually. Euglena reproduces asexually by longitudinal binary fission. Third, have rigid cell wall. Rigid cell wall is absent in case of Euglena. Instead, they have a flexible, proteinaceous pellicle as their outer covering. Fourth, show heterotrophic mode of nutrition. This statement is correct when there is lack of sunlight at the place where Euglena is surviving. However, if they get the appropriate light conditions, they also show photosynthesis. And this is the reason we say that Euglena shows mixotrophic nutrition. So, the correct answer of this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 114. Mark the odd one out with respect to the life cycle pattern. First, volvox, second, kelps, third, spirogyra, fourth, eulothrix. We know volvox, spirogyra and eulothrix. All of these are green algae and they have a haplontic life cycle. Whereas kelps. Kelps show haplodiplontic life cycle. So, correct answer of this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to next question. Choose the correct option having names of all sac fungi. Before answering this, we should know what is a sac fungi. Sac fungi is the common name which is given to the members of ascomycetes. Let's see the options. First, Neurospora, Claviceps and Morels. All of these three are the members of ascomycetes. Second, Agaricus, Morels and Truffles. Here, Agaricus belongs to basidiomycetes. Third, Claviceps, Penicillium, Puccinia. Here, Puccinia belongs to basidiomycetes. Fourth, Alternaria, Penicillium and Morels. Alternaria belongs to deuteromycetes. So, correct answer of this question is option number 1. Let's move to the next question. Question number 116. Formation of triploid endosperm nucleus is a characteristic feature of. We know that in gymnosperms as well as the angiosperms, endosperm is formed. In case of the gymnosperms, this endosperm is haploid, whereas in case of the angiosperms, this endosperm is triploid. So, out of all these 4 options, we need to see which of the following is an angiosperm. Let's see. Sunflower, yes, sunflower is an angiosperm and it is a dicot plant. Second, cedrus. Cedrus is a gymnosperm. Third, funaria. Funaria is a bryophyte. And more specifically, we can say it is a moss. Fourth, Eudorina. Eudorina is an alga. So, correct answer of this question is option number 1. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 117. Find the odd one out with respect to lichens. First, they are composed of phycobiont and mycobiont. Yes, lichen shows a symbiotic association between the alga and the fungi, where alga is known as the phycobiont because it can show photosynthesis and provide the food to the mycobiont, whereas the fungi is known as the mycobiont and it provides shelter and the protection and other necessary conditions to the phycobiont. So, first statement is absolutely true. Second, the autotrophic component of lichens prepare food for heterotrophic component. Here, autotrophic component is alga and heterotrophic component is fungi. Third, they are pioneer colonizers of barren rock. Absolutely correct. They form the pioneer community in xerarch succession. Fourth, lichens can grow easily in sulfur dioxide polluted areas. This is incorrect statement as they cannot grow easily in sulfur dioxide polluted areas, and that's why they are also called as pollution indicators. So, correct answer of this question is option number 4. So, let's proceed to the next question. Question number 118. Identify the following statements as true or false. A. Fusion of two gametes dissimilar in size is seen in Eudorina. Eudorina is a green alga and it shows an isogamous reproduction. So, first statement is absolutely true. B. The flask-shaped female sex organs in Marchantia is antheridium. This statement is incorrect because the female sex organ is known as archegonia. C. The leaves in Selaginella are large macrophylls. This statement is also incorrect because it has small microphylls. So the first statement is true and the rest two are false. And if we analyze all the options, the correct answer of this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 119. Which one is not a feature of fungi imperfecti? We know that fungi imperfecti is the another name for the members belonging to deuteromycetes. And what is the reason for giving this name to the members of deuteromycetes? Because in them the sexual phase is not known. However, later if we get to know about the sexual phase of these members, we put them accordingly into the ascomycetes or basidiomycetes. Let's see the options. First, mycelium is branched and septate. Absolutely correct. Second, asexual reproduction is by conidia. This statement is also true. Third, oospores are sexual spores. As I told you before that sexual reproduction is not seen, so it is the incorrect statement for the fungi imperfecti. Fourth, helps in mineral cycling. This statement is also true. So the correct answer of this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 120. Read the following statements and select the correct option. Assertion: in gymnosperms, the male and female gametophytes do not have an independent, free-living existence. We know that in angiosperms and also in gymnosperms, this statement is correct. However, in algae, bryophyte and pteridophyte, we have free-living gametophytes. Reason: in gymnosperms, the male and female gametophytes remain within the sporangia, retained on the sporophyte. And this reason is the correct reason for the given assertion. If we analyze all the options, the correct answer of this question will be option number 3.